What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at AUVON's weekly pill organizer. Oh, I love that. So this is great for supplements, vitamins, and pills. So you pull it down, open it up. As you can see, Sunday through Saturday, pull them out, and you place your vitamins, pills, and supplements down inside on each side. It is walled off so they do not touch each other. You can also use these for earrings, toe rings, nose rings, wedding rings, and other rings. So a lot of people will use these for multi-use. More than just supplement or pill cases. I like how they fit back in there. They're not going to fall out. They have like a silicone cap. So when you put it in, it actually just stays in there. And it doesn't like want to fall out. So that's nice. Overall, it's a very nice case, guys.